If you want to see how I smoke this install, fast shit, swipe right. Okay, so this is just me showing y'all how the wig was looking on my wig stand, honey. I bone straightened the shit out of this hair, so it's, of course, it's very nice and silky. This is a 26-inch frontal transparent lace from my wig line. Yes, y'all need to come shop. Okay, so step one, you get your edge control and you slick all your edges all the way back. You want your edges all the way out of the way. Then you want to get your wig cap and you want to kind of pull it down and you want to kind of see where your hairline is through your wig cap. You want to cut the holes on each side of the wig cap and pull it around your ears. Once you have cut the holes around your ears, you want to take some holding spray and you want to get the outline of your hairline. A lot of times I don't use holding spray, where for this install, I'm going to use holding spray to have my cap down. Then, I'm going to keep on saying then, period. Then you want to take your blow dryer and you want to blow dry it until the holding spray is dry. Now, I always secure my caps, honey, with the bow hold lace glue. I always secure my caps in front of my hairline. Now, I'm going to put the my skin tone and makeup on my cap, but I always clean my hairline with makeup remover wipes. You do not clean your hairline with alcohol. That is a big no-no. I just put my finger in the freaking wipe and wipe the outside. Just to remove like any makeup or oil, things of that nature, because you want to make sure when you put your layers of glue that it's sticking and it's gonna adhere. Now, the way that I'm doing this stuff is my technique, y'all. Emphasis on my technique. Everyone has their own technique. So once my cap is down and I clean my perimeter with the makeup wipes, with the makeup remover wipes, I always put the lace glue on the end of the comb, and I want to make sure that I get the parts that are sticking up on the cap. I always make sure that they're down so that the cap is bald. And voila, I am bald. So I'm going to take another makeup wipe because I just put makeup on my cap. And I'm going to just wipe the perimeter and then I'm going to put the wig on. Y'all, this is my fucking wig and bitch. When I say it's so flat. Oh yeah. Now, I took my same skin tone of makeup. And by the way, my skin tone is Honey Brown RMP 13 by Ruby Kisses. And I always use powder foundation. So I took that same color foundation and I put it inside. Oh my God, y'all. The fucking details, bitch. I put it inside of the lace. And then I always spray some type of holding spray and blow dry just to make sure that like the oils from the lace don't like interact with the glue. So this is how it's looking. Bitch, I'm about to be fat. Okay, I'm gonna come back and show y'all other part. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the glue. So whenever I cut my lace, y'all, if y'all could see, it gives a very jagged motion. I always cut my lace with these type of scissors. They are freaking awesome and they cut on a very jagged motion. So I'm gonna add my layers of glue and I'm gonna put this lace into the glue. Now before you smush your glue in, you always have to make sure that the glue has turned clear. Once it's clear, you can pull your lace forward and smush your lace into the glue. Now for the pieces that are flapping up, I just take the glue on the end of the comb and put it under there and smush it in. Okay, so I got my wig on. I'm melting my lace, and honey, this wig is